here's how you can locate a document on the iPad. So let's get started. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you then never miss anything important. So a few ways to locate your document, like you can literally swipe down on the home screen like this, and if you know the name of the document, you can literally look it up right here. Just type that in, and it's possible that it's going to show it up right here, right? So just a very quick guide or a very quick method to do that. But in order to be a little bit more precise, it would make sense to open up the Files app, which is very likely the place where your documents are stored, so you can get inside as such. Pick the location so you can search the iCloud or local storage, and again, in the top right you have the magnifying glass, which is the search tool. And the point is that you can again look it up by the file name if you remember it, but if not, you can literally look it up by the file extension. So if you are looking for a PDF document, for example, you can type the PDF into the search, and this gives you the ability to search for the documents which contain PDF in the title or a specific PDF extension document. So you can look it up as such, and you'll be able to see and search them through your Files app. Same thing goes for different file types. Like you can look up the DOC, which is either the Apple Pages document or the Microsoft Office document, right? So you can look the specific file types right here. So you can literally just type in Word. It also opens up the Word document right here. So yeah, plenty of ways to find it as long as the file is part of the Files app. So I really hope that you were able to find your document on the iPad. I would really appreciate your feedback below. If it worked, just hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you later.